Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you 5 meals we had this just past week. We started off the new year with some surf and turf. I seasoned lobster tails with some parsley, paprika, salt and pepper, and then we had marinated the steak with a marinade and grilled it, and on the side served it with some broccolini and some baby potatoes. For dinner tonight, we are having egg roll in a bowl, and I have some ground lean pork, onion, shredded carrot, garlic. There's a mixture of ginger, pepper flakes, garlic, and onion powder, soy sauce, some sesame oil, and I will be adding 2 bags of shredded coleslaw mix, and then I'm already actually preheating the oil in my wok, and then I'm going to add and brown some pork. Once the pork is cooked, I'm going to drain the fat out, and I'm going to add onions, garlic, and then shortly after some carrots. So I've added the cabbage, and I'm going to cook it now for about 5 minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm going to get my seasoning ready, and I'm combining my seasonings with the soy sauce. And once that's been about 5 minutes, I'm going to add it to it and cook for another 5 minutes. Today I'm bringing you a chicken stir fry that I make my own way. This is a super easy meal, under 30 minutes to put together and to boot. It's a very healthy meal. You can eat it as is, or you can serve it over rice or noodles depending on what diet you are following. So for this stir fry, I have cut up 2 chicken breasts in here. They were massive, so I'm using 2 of them for 4 of us. There will probably be some leftovers for lunch. And then here are some of the veggies. I'm obviously not going to use all of them, but there's baby bok choy, then there is Shanghai bok choy, there is French beans, broccolini, peppers, and I'm also going to add garlic and onion. So I'm going to get my chicken cooking with some garlic and some sesame oil, and then while that's cooking, I'm going to chop up all my veggies. The full recipe went live just this past Friday if you want to see step-by-step process of how I made this. I pretty much cooked the chicken first with onions and peppers. Then once that was all cooked, I tossed in the rest of the veggies, let that cook for a little bit, and then I tossed the pre-made sauce. Easy dinner under 30 minutes. For dinner tonight, we are having some turkey spaghetti. So I have the ground turkey here. I had chopped up 1 onion and about 4 garlic cloves, and I'm just sauteing them. And then I'm going to chop up some red pepper, add that, and once that's cooked, I'm going to add my meat and brown it. So the meat browned, and I added 2 of the strained tomatoes or passata, 2 of these, and then I also added some parsley, basil, oregano, thyme, and some red pepper flakes. And I'm going to, and I need bay leaf. I'm going to simmer it for about 20 minutes. So I had made some zoodles to go with it. Here's the sauce all finished. Some penne for the kids, and I also made a Caesar salad with kale and romaine lettuce. Tonight for dinner, I just made some of our homemade sausage. This sausage was made a couple weeks ago, and then it was smoked and it's been curing. But you can eat it if you cook it. It's not dry completely yet. So, and some potatoes, and I'm going to mix it in. I'm going to make a side salad with it, the kale salad, and then probably some peaches, and that's it. Super easy dinner. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.